we ought to mention the dreaded M word, maintenance. Because so many practitioners, they hate the word maintenance because it does sound as though you're just trying to rope people back in for dozens of treatments.
Well, the way I look at it is we take our teeth to the dentist every 6 months for maintenance, but why don't we take our bodies?
Well, in fairness, I do take my body to the dentist as well at the same time, but yeah.
But we don't, there's that thing, we've been trained to look after our teeth.
Yeah.
But we haven't been trained to look after our bodies. And look, I'm not going to stop sitting with appalling posture at my desk all day long with my neck in my shoulders. That's not going to stop. So I'm still going to have to go and be released and sorted out. And that's why I go regularly, and the painter and decorator and so on. I'm not going to stop lifting their arms up for hours above their heads, or the plumber under the U-bend, or the infant school teacher sitting on impossibly small chairs all day long. We're all going to carry on doing those things that cause us issues. And, why wouldn't we look after the patient and say, do you know what, given, your work, etc., this is likely to crop up as an acute problem again or an issue later. We could prevent that from happening if you're willing. We could book you in for X number of months' time, whatever your opinion is.
Yeah.
How does that sound?